Hey, this is Mike Otranto with Otranto Real Estate Company. So this is our most recent project, Holtz Lane in Cary. As you can see back here, what we did was we took out a wall and opened up this entire living room area. So it's a living room area slash kitchen, dining area. So nowadays, the modern floor plans want sort of an open concept. So what we're able to do in here to create value is you could see the island behind me. So the island behind me opens up into the kitchen, living room, dining room areas. We have the 42-inch cabinets back there, stainless steel appliances, and this was a good opportunity to create value. This was originally all closed off. So we're able to utilize this space a little more efficiently. And actually this purchase was an inherited property. It was a cash sale, it was a very quick closing. So we just wanted to be done with it. We took it as is, and there were a lot of personal belongings that had been in the home for a few decades, and they were able to take the items that they wanted and take them with them, and then whatever they didn't want it, they just left, and then we were able to take care of those. So it was a fast closing. It was an easy sale. We paid all closing costs, and it was we were happy to help in this particular situation. But the real interesting thing is what we did in the master, and I'm going to show that to you in a second.